If you work with SAP receivables data and use KNIME, here's how to pull your customer line items straight into a workflow, clean them up, and explore them without exporting files or waiting on a separate SAP team. Let me show you how. Here's the whole thing on one screen. The first node wraps SAP transaction FBL5N, the customer line item display. Because it runs a transaction, the data comes out with SAP's own logic already applied, so I'm not rebuilding accounts receivable data from raw tables. And it runs on the SAP permissions I already have, so there's no custom code and nothing new for IT to develop. I run the node and the customer line items land in KNIME as a table. Customer, document, posting date, amount, all the columns you'd expect straight from SAP. Often when you extract data from SAP, the amounts come out as text with the minus sign on the wrong end like this. Two small nodes fix it, strip the separator, move the minus to the front and turn it into a real number. Now I can actually total it and chart it. Views are a great feature of KNIME. I open the view and I have an interactive dashboard, balances by customer on the chart and line items in the table, and they're linked. I click a customer on the chart and the table filters to just those postings. No extra setup, just KNIME working on live SAP data. And the same clean data writes out to Excel at the same time for anyone downstream who still wants a spreadsheet. All of this runs through the SAP application layer. Nothing touches the SAP database directly, and there's no custom ABAP for you to write. It all runs in the KNIME Analytics platform or on the KNIME Hub if you want to schedule it. With DVW, you can read and write SAP data from any analytics or data platform. This exact workflow is on the KNIME Community Hub for you to download and try on your own SAP system. Get in touch and we'll set you up with a trial.